everybody, welcome to the Ridgway world. I'm Jeff, and it's a sunny doggone good day out here in Pittsgrove Township. Hon, did you want to explain what's going on here today?
We're meeting somebody for the very first time.
Yeah, it's very exciting for us, and I can tell from somebody behind the camera how excited they are.
I am very excited. The anticipation. Are you excited, Luna?
John's not too
Luna,
excited.
you don't look very excited.
Johnny's as excited as these
Johnny,
little cherry
where are you?
tomatoes that you got off your tree or your plant.
Johnny, are you excited?
Tell us how you feel, John.
You're going to meet somebody today.
Johnny is still tired out from his vacation.
Yes.
Tuna's still active, but we did get all the dog hair out of the truck, though. That's the positive. But, serious,
What?
this is like a nice event here that we get, and there's the alarm for the camera out front that states that somebody is here to visit.
Yes.
And if anybody can't tell by the camera, because she's behind it, the smile is from ear to ear. There's more teeth than the 32 God gave her. So, wait and see.
Luna, there's somebody here.
Wait and
John,
see.
there's somebody here.
John doesn't care if anybody's
Come on,
here. 'Cause
somebody's
it doesn't affect
here.
him.
Come
Tuna
on.
fish, get ready. Get
Do
ready
it.
for the excitement. Here it comes. Wait for it. Wait for it. Walk slow as the turtle sitting out on the pavement there. Huh. Tuna, get ready. Because Tuna, you know you got to bark no matter what, when, or where it comes to the back door.
Aren't you
And then
excited?
as soon as you start barking,
Mommy's
then Johnny
excited.
perks up, and then he'll be excited. But Johnny can't get too excited because he's at cardiac. Oh, there's one over there by the pool. Did you see? There comes. Oh, here comes Kate.
There's Kate. Where's Mommy and Daddy? Where's Mommy and Daddy?
Yep.
Look! Look
Oh, brown goodness! Look at it.
Nice. Oh my God! Oh,
She's so cute, huh?
John, Luna, look!
They don't have nothing to do with it.
Look!
Look at her little tail.
How was
wagging.
Kate's reaction? Craziness or not
Underwhelming.
caring?
Underwhelming.
Underwhelming.
Yeah, very underwhelming.
She's not. Well, doesn't she think she has a new play toy?
So she kept throwing the ball at her, and then you know how she like pounces on the ball and kicks it towards you?
Yeah.
Well, she would do that and land on top of her.
Aww.
It's like,
John?
like Luna.
Kneel down.
Oh, there's another
Kneel
hoe in
down
the
and,
family.
introduce her.
Right,
Do you
Tuna?
think they smell?
Look,
Oh, Tuna smells
John,
underneath.
I know that you can smell her on me, so turn around and see the real thing.
Where the hell's that the puppy go? I can smell it. John!
He said,
John!
you haven't.
That
Oh,
way.
come here. Come here.
Look, John!
Come here.
John!
Oh my goodness.
I know you got one in your pocket.
And this is.
Oh, look at the puppy, Tuna fish!
He's
Look at Tuna!
Oh.
Yeah!
Johnny, Johnny.
Oh, Luna, be nice.
Oh, look! Yep, check and see what she's got.
Is that a
What
girl?
junk in the trunk?
We already warned her.
Oh,
About her creepy Uncle Poop John.
Yeah, 'cause John's pretty creepy when it comes to that stuff.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, this.
Johnny's
did he
got a loose
scare
tongue.
her? So this is Lily.
Yep.
This is Lily Ridgway.
John realized there was a puppy.
Look, Kate says.
Wait a minute. I know what
We
this
want to go
is.
swimming.
Yeah, she don't care.
Yeah,
about
she doesn't
puppy.
care.
She's got a pool.
Okay, so she's what?
So
8
what
weeks
color
old?
are
8
your
weeks, yeah.
eyes? Are they like hazel?
She's got like greenish blue eyes, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, look at you when you got a little white
In
on
the
your
sun,
chest.
oh, she's so pretty.
Oh,
How many
Yeah.
brothers and sisters were there?
aw, give her kisses.
Oh no.
Give her
There was a
kisses.
couple.
Oh,
There was
okay.
at least 3. Like,
Yeah,
because there was
that
another
soft.
chocolate girl, there was a yellow lab male, and then a couple was picking up a chocolate male before
Was
we
she
got
the
there.
cutest though?
Yes,
Okay, by far the cutest.
easily.
Luna. No
You go
growling.
find a Kate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's underwhelmed
John's
too.
smelling her.
But look at them now out there. They're all
You wanna go
got their
play?
family.
Yeah.
Oh, you
She's
got
actually-
slide in the corner. 'cause
She's
the big
doing
dog.
better here than she did in our house.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. She was like sitting in a corner, wouldn't move.
Oh.
I think she was just overwhelmed.
Oh, I bet.
Yeah.
Well, you come from a straw box or whatever she came from for the last 8 weeks.
She loves the couch.
Lily.
Yeah, she was
Oh, I love her
Passed
collar.
out on the couch all morning.
She's so quick. Hi, honey.
You got the big
Yes,
balls,
adorable.
too.
Look at the. Let me see your face.
Come here, sweetie. Come here, sweetie. Hello.
Are you going to take her swimming, you think?
I'm not gonna force her. And
No,
if,
yeah.
Are you allowed? Are they allowed to go in this age?
We'll put her little
I
paws
think
in.
we did with Kate. Like I just kind of let her in and.
Or you could set her on the tube, right?
Excuse me.
Aww.
This joke's still going on.
We get grandpuppies. Not grandbabies, grandpuppies.
They're still
not
baby.
nice.
I know, we love them.
John's ready
Johnny.
for a
I'm
licking.
drooling.
John says, can I have her?
Nope. Other end.
Smell the other one. That way you can tell what it is. I know, it smells like the baby. Remember, you had 21 babies. She's got some weight to her already.
She's
too.
got some big
She's the
paws,
smallest
too.
of
Look at
the
those size of
ones there.
paws.
It's just the shorts, honey. Why would you say stuff like that?
She's got big old clompers.
Aww.
She's a cuddly girl. She's a sleepy girl.
She's a little weird.
She's a little
She's a
weird.
little weird.
So she
Little heart's beating.
got puppy chow. Is it like a Purina puppy chow or?
And Purina Pro. It's shredded chicken and rice.
Okay. She's smiling.
Of course.
Oh no, you're not.
Yeah, she's smirk. She's got a little smirk.
Got a little smile to
Little smirk.
Those are pitties. You gonna smell the puppy feet?
The pup. No, it's the puppy breath.
Oh.
Oh yeah, she's got
yeah.
some puppy breasts.
Yeah.
She's
She's
got
got bad
some.
breath.
Yeah.
Oh,
Wow.
but that I love that. I love that. I love the puppy breath. I
her.
do.
It's pretty rancid.
It's pretty, she
smell
opens
like
her mouth and you smell it from
Yeah.
2 feet away. Yeah.
About like John's,
Yeah.
but John's is rank,
Yeah.
right? Because you got rotten teeth. You want to smell the puppy again?
Let me see again.
So Lily is Ella's,
Oh, do you
not
smell
Ella's,
it?
Kate's half sister.
Correct.
They share a dad.
Yeah. So actually, when we went to go pick her up, they had Kate's dad in the yard, and he was playing fetch, and you can just see the exact mannerisms in the face.
Oh really?
Like, he looks like you're stupid.
Wants to swim every moment. Doesn't care about the rest
She's
of the
tired
world.
already. Look,
I
she
know.
want to
She's
sleep.
very
Oh, yeah,
content.
she's been sleeping all morning pretty much. She's a sleepy girl.
Well, puppies do that. They just sleep and then they poop and
What do you
piss.
think,
Yeah.
John?
Like a
What do you think?
Smell the pity.
Oh, okay.
Very nice.
Yeah,
You
he's,
want to
happy.
be
He's happy to see her. Luna, not so much. She growled.
Yeah.
Yeah, Luke. That's how she was with Kate too.
She's-
Like, Luna
yeah.
didn't really care.
She's pissed.
Yeah, Tuna's the same no matter what. Whoever walks in, she'll growl bark at you, then she'll kiss your butt, and then forget about it.
Hi, Kate. What are you doing? Oh, you guys want to go swimming? Come on. Oh. You got to get your collar off, honey.
Give me your necklace. Okay.
There we go. Wait, could you wait? Just 1 minute. Holy cow! She's gone. Oh!
Well, I guess you've seen the puppy, the welcome to the family. We love puppies around here, as everybody knows, so someday maybe everybody will get a puppy. That's what the world needs, more puppies, right?
Everyone needs a puppy.
Everybody have a great day, a good life.